Struggling to get views and YouTube is not really recommending your videos? This is exactly why. There are some features or settings in your channel which you haven't maybe set up properly, or there are some settings that you haven't fixed properly, or there are some settings that you need to turn off or turn on. If that is so, this can prevent viewers from seeing your videos, or even YouTube recommending your videos to audience out there. Because recently we have seen, to my own observation and experience, I've seen YouTube is pushing most of those small content creators out there. When you tune on to your channel, you will see a lot of small YouTubers content popping up in your videos. That means YouTube is really helping those small YouTubers, pushing their content, pushing their videos out there to get view. And in this year 2025, a lot of content creators have been monetized. This is the year of monetization. So this is the time you need to take your YouTube channel into the next level. YouTube is really monetizing a lot of people in this 2025 years. You can see a lot of content creators, content are popping up on your channel. If you see those content creators, you see those small YouTubers, videos popping up in your content, that means YouTube is really promoting those small YouTubers for their videos to be seen. So if YouTube is promoting those small YouTubers, why not you? If that be the case, it might be is these settings that you haven't set properly into your channel that is preventing YouTube from recommending your videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you through or walk you through what are these settings or what are these features that you need to set properly into your channel for you to gain those views. So stay tuned to the end of this video, so that, because the last one is the most important one. So stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can see what are these settings that you have missed in your channel. So for you to apply this setting, you need to go straight to your Google homepage. If you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, make sure you use your Google Chromes, and then you type in YouTube dashboard, and then you use the first one that just come out. Wait for it to download. Voila, now it takes you head straight to a computer page. So this is what will appear on your phone or iPhone, that is your Android phone or your iPhone. It gives you a computer setup. So what you're going to do now to look for those settings, make sure you go first to settings. This is where we're going to look at today. To your settings, it brings you here. So under general, you click on channel. So from channel, it brings you down to this page. Now, the features we are talking about is these keywords. Keywords is very important when you add this to your channel. When you add keywords, keywords has the tendency to be searchable by viewers there, and as well as the YouTube and YouTube algorithm will know what is actually your channel is for, because your keywords will tell us what your channel is selling. So when people are searching in the internet or onto YouTube, your features that you put on the keywords are the one they will search for. Let me say, for example, if somebody is searching for help me grow or viral videos or starting a YouTube channel, immediately they search that on the YouTube channel or onto Google, your channel will appear amongst those search points. Make sure your keywords are what your channel is all about. Like, for example, what I put here, I put viral videos help me to grow, and also I put my channel links there, so that if someone use this one and type it on someone use this one and put it on Google or YouTube, my channel will pop up straight away. Don't quit your 9-to-5 job. So these are some of my videos titles I place in there. So when people are searching, immediately they type what all my keywords here, my channel or that videos will pop up. Like YouTube growth, how to grow on YouTube, copyright strike, YouTube community guidelines, work from home, new YouTubers, let's grow with Maria. So make sure you add your channel's name, which is Let's Grow with Maria. Your channel's name should be amongst your keywords. Keywords is very important. That's the only way they can search for you. If you look at my keywords, I also added some of those big content creators' name, like Dodash, Vibe with Sonia, and Dan the creator, vidIQ. So I put all of them here so that even when people are searching for those big YouTubers' name, your videos will pop up on that search features that they are searching. So make sure your keywords, you align them very, very properly according to your niche, according to what your channel is all about. So make sure this is very, very important. When you have this keyword, the algorithm will also know what is your channel is for. So when you put your video, these keywords that people are searching, you will be amongst those searching when people are searching. So your videos will be amongst those searchable criteria that people are searching. So your videos will pop up whenever people are searching on the internet. So this is very, very important. There was a time I left this space empty, so I struggled to gain views. But immediately when I started putting all these keywords here, now I've seen the evidence, I've seen views, I've seen growth in my channel. So this is very, very important. But you have a maximum of 500 words that you need to put. So when you reach over to those words, it will stop. However, if you have any other important words that you need to add there, you can always delete the irrelevant you can always delete the irrelevant keywords that you can delete them and add what you think that this is very, very important, so that you won't clock out your 500 because you won't add anything after 500. So this is very, very important. So another features you need to look at is the second one is this upload features. So this upload features is very, very important. Make sure your basic information, your title is there. What is your title? That is the name of your channel. And I put the name of my channel as well as I add in the link of my channel. So each time someone goes to my channel, this will pop up and it will allow your viewers to even use this link to maybe populate it. Maybe they want to share your link to other their friends and family. They can use this link to share to audience there. So this can also support you to gain more views. And the most important one as well is this description. Make sure your description, you write about what your channel is about, what you are promoting, what your channel is about. Your description should reflect what your channel is, what you're talking about, what you're discussing, what is your niche, whatever your description is here. This is how people would know what your channel is for. If your channel is for YouTube growth, make sure your description talks about how you will support, how you will do that. How are you going to help people to grow their YouTube channel? Whatever your niche is, make sure your niche, your description matches the niche that you are talking. And make sure you really, really optimize your description. This is very, very important. Your description as well will allow YouTube to know what your channel is for. So this is very, very important. Make sure you optimize your description. The also important setting is visibility. If this setting here, you've got private, you go unlisted, and you go public. If you put your channel into private, nobody else will see your channel. It's only yourself and your friends or family or the people that you choose to be seeing your channel. Also, if you put it on unleashed, it's the same thing. Only few people that you've chosen to see your channel will be the one to see it. But if you put your channel into public, like the way mine is, everybody will have access to see your videos. Each time you upload the videos, they will see your videos. Your audience will see your videos, the public will see your videos. The only time I will encourage you to put your videos on private, that is when you just upload a new videos. Maybe you haven't tested it yet. Yes, you can put it private, try it first and see if it works. Then after, when you've satisfied with that new video, then yes, you can now change it into public. But aside from that, if you want people to watch your videos, make sure that you put your videos or your channel into public so that people can see. You will gain more views when it's on public. So this is very, very important. And the last setting here is your hashtags. Tags is also very, very important by setting your videos. Using tags is a keyword. Tags is a very important keyword that even support your viewers to discover your videos. When you put the tags there as well, your videos can be very easily to be seen, to be viewed, to be discovered by audience there. And this can also allow YouTube to recommend your videos, because how people can search on the internet, sometimes people just put in like a short search, maybe just 2-3 words. Immediately your hashtags will pop up under those search engine. So make sure you also include your tags on your channel. This can help you grow really, really fast. So this is very, 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 very important to add your hashtags. As you can see, you can take the same whatever are written here, you can do it, or it depends to your niche, what your niche is. So those are the hashtags that you will put, something that you know that when they search on the search engine, your videos will be discovered or your channel will be discovered. So this is very, very important. So now let's come to the advanced setting, which is the last setting now we're going to talk about, the most important one. So all these settings, make sure this side, yes, make sure it's stated standard YouTube license. Make sure this is on. If it's not, make sure you change it to standard YouTube license only. These are is okay. Comment, you can put the comment on to see if people will be able to comment on your videos. And the most important one here is the category. Category is very, very important. Category is very, very important. This is where YouTube will know what your channel is. What are you communicating? If you're talking about YouTube growth or YouTube channel, you will use cars and vehicles as your category. YouTube might not know what your channel is for. This is where people get it wrong. So this is the most important one. Like I said, stay to the end. This is the most important one. Make sure your category is the right one, your right niche, what you are educating or what you are promoting. If it's you're into educational need, make sure you change it to education. If you're a comedian, your videos are for comedy, make sure it's on comedy. If it's on cars and vehicles, make sure it's on cars, on vehicles. If it's entertainment, filming, gaming, music, news and politics, non-for-profit, people and blogs, pets and animals, science and technology, sports, travel and events, make sure you choose the right category. Because if you don't choose the right category, YouTube will not know who to send your videos to. Because if you put the wrong category there, your videos might not be discovered. Because if YouTube sends your videos to the wrong audience, like for example, you are into how to style, like what my category is. My category is into tutorial. I'm teaching people how to create their YouTube channel. So it's how to do things. So if you put in, maybe you put in cars and vehicles or entertainment or news and politics, and YouTube send your videos to those wrong audience and they are not watching your videos, and then those videos are not being watched, that is when YouTube will stop recommending, because YouTube will think that your videos are not value enough. Maybe that's why people are not watching them. This is where YouTube will stop recommending your videos, because the right audience are not getting your videos. Your videos are sent to the wrong audience and they are not watching your videos, and then therefore YouTube will stop recommending your videos. So ensure that this category, you choose the right one according to your niche. This is very, very important. This is the most important one on out of all of them. Make sure you choose the right category of your channel. Then your videos will be discovered and YouTube will recommend them to the right audience. And when your videos get to the right audience, they will view your videos. And this is how YouTube will continue promoting your videos, recommending them to the right audience. Then you will see your growth. You will see your views growth, your subscribers growth, as well as your watch time hours growth. And then this will lead to your journey into monetization. Now you've seen this setting, so you need to go over to your YouTube studios and apply all these settings into your channel. Don't let your hard work go unnoticed. Allow YouTube and the algorithm to push your videos and recommend it to your audience out there. Because if YouTube is recommending those small content creators' videos to be found, why not your own? Why not your own videos? So go straight over to your YouTube studios and ratify these settings and try and fix them so that your videos can be recommended as well as viewed by your audience there. Then you will see the difference. If it works for me, it will work for you because I'm speaking out of an experience. If I had known this trick long since, I wouldn't have struggle of getting views on my videos or YouTube recommending my videos. At the moment, immediately I set this setting that I've just went through with you, I've seen a massive change on my videos, on my views, and my subscribers. My subscribers keep on increasing as well as my watch hour keeps increasing. I have experienced this, so this is why I'm bringing it out to you for you to go over this setting now that you know, so that your channel will be improved and then you will get towards your monetization journey. If it works for me, so definitely it will work for you. This is out of experience. So let me know in the comment section below if you find this content very interesting, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so that somebody else might gain experience and ideas from this video. I will see you on my next video. Take care now. Love you all. Bye. Bye.